Y'all, it's mail call day here at Casa de CJ, and we got ourselves the new Sizzle. Sizzle, baby. Smokeless indoor grill and griddle. And we're gonna check it out. All right, first look, quick video. Let's give this thing a once over. What do you say? Come on down. Now, the first thing we gotta do is get it out of the box. And the first thing we see, of course, is that quick start guide, which if you watch my channel for a while now, you know I don't believe a lot into these quick start guides. There you go, you have it. What it does show you is the inside, you know, high heat, edge to edge searing and grilling. You also have a griddle on this thing, so it is a 2-surface indoor grill and griddle. Whether it's the grill plate or the griddle plate, they both have a little grease trap on there. They're both hand wash. You're not putting these in the dishwasher. Only thing that I've seen in the instructions that go in the dishwasher is that lid. All right, you can cook with the lid open or shut, but if you shut it, you might want to clean it. It is actually detachable, and it says dishwasher safe to use it. More than likely, I'm just gonna wash it with my other stuff. The voltage on this bad boy is 120, and the watts are 1450. It weighs probably about 15 pounds. I can't see weight listed anywhere on here, but it is not very heavy at all. One thing this is not, it is not an air fryer, okay? So the other Ninja Foodie grills, you know, you're able to air fry in it, bake in it, broil, all that other stuff. You're not doing that. You're just grilling and griddling on this bad boy. All right, which, you know, it's fun for me. I love a good indoor grill, obviously. I love an indoor griddle. You know, when it's hot outside, it's the way to go, okay? On the front of the unit, there's a temperature dial on there. And to the right of that, it breaks down how you want to cook certain things with the grill plate or the griddle plate and what temperatures to use on there. So again, I take everything that Ninja puts on their units as far as temps and times and food, along with that quick start guide. I take it with a grain of salt. You know me, I like to figure it out, okay? So they're a little overcautious. Sometimes if you go by the book, you really overcook stuff. It also breaks down what kind of oils you should be using when you're cooking, what kind you're not supposed to be using. You want to keep this a smoke-free indoor grill and griddle, okay? So higher heat oils are more recommended. Both of the surfaces, whether it's the grill or the griddle, they're non-stick, which is gonna be great for cleanup, but I wouldn't suggest you use metal tools on it. I will more than likely be using my silicone tools on this. You're able to cook with the lid open or shut. When you shut that lid over your food, honestly, it's not gonna create any kind of like oven type deal because there's holes in the lid. It's like a mesh top, all right? So I wouldn't expect to be able to, you know, cover this and make some biscuits on it or whatever, okay? So keep that in mind. Y'all, this is a pretty cool looking machine. I'm sure it's gonna cook exactly the way we want it to. You're gonna use that indoor grill, you're gonna use it as a griddle too. There's not a lot of bells and whistles on this, and I think the price dictates that. You know, you're just getting kind of a base unit of, you know, indoor grilling, griddling. It's electric, so you're not, you know, not doing anything crazy with it, right? But I think it's worth the price. Can't wait to get cooking on it. I'm actually, you know, I'll probably do some live cooks on it just so you guys can see it in action in real time. I love using an indoor griddle and grill. Okay, we got a lot of stuff we can do on there. I have a lot of Ninja Foodie grill and griddle videos from their 7-in-1. So if you want to check that out, I'll put the playlist up here. But we're gonna start building our own new playlist for the Sizzle. All right, gotta love the Ninja Sizzle. Sizzle, baby, let's go. All right, if you guys have any questions that I didn't answer on this, because again, this is a quick first look, just got it. I just want to get it out of the box and get it out to the people. Put your questions down below in the comments. In the comment section, and I'll do my best to answer them. Let me know what you want me to cook first on this bad boy. The griddle's on my head, and I'm loving some breakfast for dinner, so that might be the first cook. You never know. If you want to get yourself one of these new Ninja Sizzles, sizzle, there's a link down below. Make sure you hit it. It's an affiliate link. It doesn't cost you anything more to use it, but it helps out your boy. If you want to become a show producer, like all the people scrolling in front of me, who, let's just face it, they're probably gonna get one of these Ninja Sizzles too. Hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. Other than that, guys, we're done. Listen, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.